with Chef Hank video. Sorry that we haven't uploaded since season 2 episode 4 was released. We got very busy and we couldn't upload that much or record or edit. But we are back. And today you are going to learn how to make a cheeseburger, Hank Smashes style.
All right, we're going to start with our ground beef.
Yes.
We'll put that in a bowl. We have ground chuck. We're going to put that whole thing in there, boom, in a bowl. Now to that, and we have washed our hands.
Yes, we have.
So we'll reach in there and grab a pinch of salt. Good pinch. A claw of salt, more than that. A whole lot more, like this. You don't want to overdo it, but you've got 2 pounds of meat there, and you want to have some flavor. Now, a lot of people will say, don't salt the meat before you cook it, or until right before you cook it. They'll say don't put anything on it, and don't put an egg in with it. We're going to break all those rules. So,
It's how we make them.
that's how we make them. So now, give this a couple of good twists of pepper.
Yes.
A few more twists.
Jeez.
And we have some onion powder here we're going to put on the burgers. I'm going to shake some of that in there. That's good, actually. Very good.
We're doing really good so far.
And now, we're going to crack an egg in there. You want me to do that,
I can do it.
I'll go. Okay. Can you do it?
I've done this ever since we did that pumpkin pie episode.
Boom.
Hey,
All right.
no show. I'm going to go wash my
Let's
hands.
go wash our hands. Anytime you're handling raw meat or raw egg, you want to wash your hands. And in this process, we wash our hands a lot because we touch the meat and then we do something else and then we have to touch the meat again. And we always want to make sure that we are clean and safe. So we have our buns for when we need buns, and we have a scale here because we're gonna measure out the meat and try to do either 4 or 5 ounce burgers. So right now, what we're gonna do is mix all this up. They say don't overhandle the meat, don't mix it up in a bowl. We're breaking all those rules.
Well, it's how we make it, and they still turn out really good.
That's right.
I really wish you viewers could smell what the meat is like right now when we mixed all this stuff together. Oh, it's so good. Oh my gosh.
Hank Smashes professional meat scent analysis. All right, so I'm not going to do more than that. That's incorporated pretty well. So I'm going to try for 4 ounces. 4.4, pretty good. So we want more than that or want less?
I like 5 ounce burgers.
5 ounce burgers is what Mommy Smashes says. Let's see how we did here. 5.1, good enough.
Nice.
So, grab one of those now. Like this. Just to kind of give us a little more in there. 4.6.
That's good.
On the
Ooh,
dot.
exactly.
On the dot. End up with
I have
3.
another 3.
Can you get 2 more ounces out of there? I have a feeling we're ending up with one enormous burger.
Just drop.
Whoopsie.
4.2. That's all right if it doesn't stick together. We just want the weight.
Yeah, it's
So keep adding until it hits 5.
To build a snowman.
Oh, how do we do? How do we do? Okay, quit pushing on it.
Boom.
5 on the money. On the money. Excellent. So just gonna kind of.
the money.
All right. You want to do another one? I'll do one. You do one.
Sure.
All right. Just go ahead and weigh it. 5.1.
Hey!
Perfect. Doing great.
My hands are so beefy.
You got beef hands.
Beefy human hands. And now we move on to the patty
So having just washed our hands,
with Jedi Mom.
we're going to take the meat. Henry,
Yes.
I'll take this one, it looks tricky. Take the meat. And then once you've just made sure it's a ball still, hold it in the palm of one hand. Put the other palm like this, I go squish. A little hard for you. There you go. All right, now that you've gone squish, before you do anything else, go along the edge with your thumb and just kind of round out the edge with your thumb. After you've rounded out the whole edge, come around and get that shoved in there. You're looking to make it the same thickness all the way around, okay? Trying to make it the same thickness all the way around. Now that you've done that, right? Flip it over in your hand. Put your hand. Give it another little this time squish. Okay? Then, if you were frying them, you'd put a dent in them, but we're foreman grilling them. So I'm just gonna kind of flatten out the middle, just a little bit.
George Foreman Rapid Grill is finished. So we are going to put these 7 patties inside of here.
And I think these are so big we'll only get 3. And I'm correct. And there we go. So we're gonna do 4 minutes. And now it counts down and we wait.
The grilling has finished. We have gotten 3 patties made. We are getting the sides for our dinner. Three, 2, 1.
What do you do with a lonely burger?
Gotta go by himself. Last one. Okay. And I like ketchup. I'm the only one in the house that likes condiments. But I like ketchup. Mayonnaise on the top bun, boom. I toast my bun and I put condiments. Nobody else likes that stuff. I do. And we'll put some burgers on.
And that is mine.
He keeps it simple. Meat, cheese, and a bun. That's the way Hank does it.
Yes, sir. Yes, that is how you make cheeseburgers the Hank Smashes style. If you follow the directions that we do when we broke all the rules, you will get something very delicious. The meat will taste amazing. The ingredients that we put in, you have to follow them. It's amazing. And that is episode 3 of Cooking with Chef Hank.
Try a bite.
They come out so perfect. I'll see you later, viewers. Goodbye.